Howdy, today we're gonna be making a beat in the style of Young Lean. More specifically something similar to Miami Ultras cause that song is fire. First we're gonna set the BPM to 105, then we're gonna find some string samples or a VST. I'm gonna use Spitfire Labs, because it's free and the sounds are pretty decent. I arranged the notes in a way that felt natural. With some bits that go up, and other bits that go down. You'd almost believe that was a real orchestra, if you weren't watching a line pass through a couple of rectangles. Next I copied the strings. Deleted everything but the bass notes. Moved it down a couple octaves, and found a bass sound that I liked. Then I created the lead. I used Serum. Because it's the best option. Made a square wave, and a saw wave. Changed the shape of the envelope so that it was more pluck-like. Put a multiband compressor on it. A bit of reverb. An EQ that I did my best to shape like the top of Australia. Then put some ping-pong delay on it. Then I played around for a bit, trying to find a pattern that I liked. Keeping the notes close together so there's a lot of tension. Now, drums. The most important element. I found a snare I liked. And drowned it in reverb. Like cement boots in the ocean type drowned. I put it in the middle of every bar, and on the fourth bar I put a second one that hits a little earlier, so there's a little variety. Then for the kick I put them in a simple pattern. They're not the main character in this song, so they're just gonna play comic relief. I added an open hat that hits at the start of every bar. And waterboarded it with reverb. The song's almost done. But it wouldn't be a lean song if we didn't have a sad part with little to no instrumentation. So I found a pluck in the stock Serum presets. Made it walk down the stairs. Then back up the stairs. Then I got a pad with a similar sound and stretched out the notes. To tuck in the background in the latter half of the song. For effects I added some endless smile before the drums come in. And an auto filter at the start to make the intro feel more like an intro. And that's that. Enjoy.